In this lecture, we learn about eigenspace. Let T maps V to V be linear transformation and dimension of V that equals to n, that is T of alpha that equals to A n cross n matrix. Okay. Now T of x equals to lambda x, where x not equals to 0. Then x is called eigenvector and lambda is eigenvalue. So t minus lambda I into x that equals to 0. So this also be a linear transformation, and this suppose q. So this qx equals to 0 and q also maps v to v. Okay. So q be also a linear transformation and such x such that qx equals to 0, that implies x belongs to null space of q, that implies x belongs to null space of t minus lambda I. Similarly, ax equals to lambda x, that implies a minus lambda I into x that equals to 0 vector, that implies x belongs to null space of a minus lambda I. What is the null space? Such x such that the linear transformation take x to 0 vector. Okay, this is called null space. So x belongs to null space of a lambda I. So x be the eigenvector. Okay, and here x is non-zero vector also. So this null space, this is a set. Okay, this null space a minus lambda I that equals to tell e lambda. Okay, and this is called eigenspace. The eigenspace is nothing but the null space of a minus lambda I, okay, or t minus lambda I. Now t minus lambda I maps v to v and dimension of v equals to n. Therefore, by rank nullity theorem, dimension of v that equals to dimension of null space of t minus lambda I plus dimension of range space of t minus lambda I, that is dimension of v that equals to dimension of null space of a minus lambda I plus dimension of range space of a minus lambda I, that equals to dimension of eigenspace plus rank of a minus lambda I. Therefore, dimension of eigenspace corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda that equals to dimension of v minus rank of a minus lambda I. Therefore, eigenspace equals to null space of A minus lambda I equals to null space of T minus lambda I. Okay. Now, what is algebraic multiplicity and geometric multiplicity? What is the algebraic multiplicity? Algebraic multiplicity be, let lambda be an eigenvalue of a linear operator, linear transformation, or a matrix with characteristics polynomial ft. The algebraic multiplicity of lambda is the largest positive integer k, for which t minus lambda to k is a factor of ft. I can give an example. What is the geometric multiplicity? Dimension of E lambda corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is called geometric multiplicity or GM. So A minus lambda I, that is 3 minus lambda 1 0 0 3 minus lambda 4 0 0 4 minus lambda. A minus lambda I that equals to 0 give ft equals to minus of t minus 3 that whole square and t minus 4. Here the eigenvalue are 3 and 4. Here eigenvalue are lambda 1 that equals to 3 and lambda 2 that equals to 4. Algebraic multiplicity of lambda 1 that is 3 be 2, as the eigenvalue 3 has highest power 2. So lambda 1 be 2, lambda 1 equals to 3 and 3. Okay, number of eigenvalue of lambda 1 be 3 and 3, because this is the multiplicity 2. So algebraic multiplicity of the eigenvalue lambda 1 equals to 3 be 2, and algebraic multiplicity of lambda 2 that equals to 4 be 1, because lambda 2 equals to 4 only one eigenvalue, because this is the power be 1. Now what is the geometric multiplicity of 3? Let A minus 3i rank of this equals to rank of A minus 3i, that equals to rank of 3 minus 3 1 0 0 3 minus 3 4 0 0 4 minus 3, that equals to rank of 0 1 0 0 0 4 0 0 1. What is the rank of the matrix? 2, that equals to 2. So rank of this matrix be 2. Therefore dimension of eigenspace with respect to 3, eigenvalue 3, be dimension of V minus rank of A minus 3i. What is the dimension of V? This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So A be a 3 cross 3 matrix. So T be the linear transformation V to V with dimension of V that equals to 3. So that equals to 3 minus 2 that equals to 1. Therefore geometric multiplicity of 3 be 1. What is the geometric multiplicity of 4? A minus 4i, this matrix that equals to minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 4 0 0 0. Therefore rank of A minus 4i that equals to 2. Therefore dimension of eigenspace of 4 that equals to dimension of V minus rank of A minus 4i. Therefore 3 minus 2 that equals to 1. We see that algebraic multiplicity of 3 that equals to 2, geometric multiplicity of 3 equals to 1. That implies AM greater than GM in that case. Algebraic multiplicity of 4 that equals to 1 and geometric multiplicity of 4 that equals to 1, which implies AM that equals to GM. For the eigenvalue 3, AM greater than GM, and for the eigenvalue 4, AM equals to GM. Then the characteristic polynomial FTB minus t minus 5 into t minus 3 whole square. Therefore, lambda equals to 5 has multiplicity 1 and lambda 2 equals to 3 has multiplicity 2. Therefore, algebraic multiplicity of lambda 1 that equals to 1 and algebraic multiplicity of lambda 2 that equals to 2. A minus 5i that equals to minus 1 0 1 2 minus 2 2 1 0 minus 1. Therefore, rank of A minus 5i that equals to 2. Therefore, dimension of eigenspace of 5 that equals to 3 minus 2 that equals to 1. Therefore, geometric multiplication of multiplicities of lambda 1 that equals to 1. Now, A minus 3i that equals to 1 0 1 2 0 2 1 0 1. Rank of A minus 3i that equals to 1. This matrix, rank of this matrix, okay, B1. So dimension is 3, so 3 minus 1 that equals to 2. So this is the geometric multiplicity of 3. Here geometric multiplicity of 3 be 2 and algebraic multiplicity of 3 be 2 equal. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.